Okay, back home from shooting. I shot a few different rounds, which are different from my normal ones. So I got to use these blades of brass. My verdict of those 9mm ballistics are not very good. I don't like them. So they're 4-meter jackets, so they tend to go everywhere. So right, this is the lethal weapon Beretta 9mm. This is the 92 FS. The military version is the MP5. MP9, which is used by the US military traditionally, but now they've switched to the 6 hour. But this is what they used to use. So this is the blazer brass 4-meter jacket that I use for practice. I'll load them up. It's in the chamber. To get rid of it, so it's back to empty. So you check that it's empty and it's rendered safe. Then you close the chamber, back on safe, so it's safe. Fingers off the trigger. You gotta know your firearm safety before you handle a weapon, of course, before you even get your license. So I have my ammo pouches to practice, my tactical reloads for security work, as it were. So I lock and load, we're ready to go. Now, I'll be using these ammos. These are for security work. They're hollow points, and they shoot very accurate. Then I have the premium Federals. They're very good. This is the ammo. It's got a brass jacket and it's a hollow point cartridge, and it's I think it's 124 grain Hydro Shock JHP hollow point. It's very accurate, and on impact it has it's a smaller entry and an expansive exit wound. So the exit wound is very expansive, so it will do a lot of damage. The cellular enveloped handgun ammunition, haven't tested it on anything for its impact in terms of the hollow point exit wounds, but what I can guarantee is that it travels very accurate on target, shooting down range up to whatever, 10 meters, whatever, what distance you're shooting, but it's quite good, especially for close quarter issues, close quarter battles. You're gonna use these. Only problem with hollow points on flak jackets is that they don't tend to penetrate flak jackets. 4-meter jackets tend to be more successful on flak jackets. On what do you call it? Body armor. But so This is what it's like when it's chambered and when it jams and when you secure it as well. So it's on safety, so I'll leave it here for the time being. But anyway, that's what I'll be doing. Alright, practicing and comparing ammos. Yeah.